This is Mark Lonergan. I'm going to show you how to use your Google Calendar and Google Hangouts Meet to set up and record a meeting. This is useful if you want to have a department meeting or a team meeting, if you want to meet with a group of students or a whole class, or if you want to record any of those sessions to share with others who can't be there live for the event. So first thing we do is go into your calendar, and just like you would another calendar appointment, you click on your calendar to set up an appointment. So if I wanted to set up a team meeting, before clicking save, I would go and choose more options. Over here, if there's specific people I wanted to invite, I could add them to the list. And then over here where it says add conferencing, this is where I can include the Google Hangouts Meet option. This will create a unique internet link that will be the entry point for anybody to come have a online conference with me or an online conversation with me. I can save that and come back to it later. Why don't I do that? I'm not going to send these because this is a practice round. But when it comes time for my meeting, I can click on my calendar and look, it says a live link at the top that says Join Hangouts Meet. When I click that, it takes me into the waiting room where I make sure everything looks good. And then I click the Join Now button when I'm ready. If I don't feel like I want to be on video, I can always turn the camera off. And if I don't feel like being heard, I can always turn the audio off. I join, and it takes me into what might look to you like a FaceTime call or a Skype call. A couple of nice features about Hangouts Meet. If you look at these three dots on the side, wait a second, there we go. One of the nice features is turn on captions. This will open up a closed captioning window underneath that does instantaneous closed captioning. A nice feature to include, especially if you're recording the meeting. If you want to record the session, you click on the three dots, and at the very top, there's an option to record the meeting. If you click on that, it reminds you that you should ask consent first. You don't want people to be recorded without their knowledge. But then when I accept that, a little red recording dot should start shining at the top of the screen. When I'm done recording, I just come back here to the three dots and stop recording. What's nice is that when the recording is done, it'll save it in two places. It'll automatically send a copy of this movie to my Google Drive, and it will also create a link on my calendar that includes information. I did one of these earlier today, and take a look. At this meeting, you can see that I invited some guests, and there's also a link to a movie file so that anybody who wasn't able to make it there in person can come back on the calendar and click and see what they missed. Thanks for watching. See you soon.